You know that moment when you have been coding for hours, debugging the same issue, writing repetitive documentation, or refactoring the same piece of logic, and you think to yourself, there has to be a better way. Well, that was me, completely buried in boring, repetitive dev work until I started using AI. And not just using it randomly, but really understanding how to communicate with it. That's when I discovered prompt engineering, and it completely changed the way I work. At first, I will be honest, I thought AI was just a cool gimmick. You throw in a question, get an answer, maybe save a few minutes. But I quickly realized that the real power of an AI doesn't come from the tool itself, it comes from the prompt. A prompt is like a conversation starter for AI, but the difference between a good prompt and a great one is massive. A bad prompt gives you generic or wrong answers. A structured, well-defined prompt gives you precise, context-aware, developer-grade output that feels like it comes from a human teammate who knows your code base. And that's when it clicked for me. AI isn't replacing developers, it's cooperating with us. If you learn to direct it properly, AI becomes your most efficient coding partner, one that never gets tired, doesn't complain, and always has your back. So I started experimenting. I tested hundreds of prompt styles, frameworks, and structures, figuring out which ones worked best for debugging, documentation, refactoring, and brainstorming architecture ideas. I started noticing patterns and templates, the types of phrasing that made AI deliver more accurate, detailed, and developer-friendly responses every time. Eventually, I built my own set of battle-tested prompt frameworks, templates I could reuse anytime I wanted to save time and reduce stress and get correct results. Now, I use them every single day. When I'm stuck debugging in a tricky function, I use my debugging prompt framework. When I need to generate clear, consistent documentation, there is a documentation prompt for that. And when I want to refactor code or brainstorm cleaner solution, I've got a framework that makes AI act like a senior developer reviewing my pull request. It's honestly like having a personal assistant who speaks fluent code. After seeing how much time and mental energy it saved me, I decided to put everything together into a single guide, something that other developers could use too. That's how the AI Prompt Playbook was born. It's a practical collection of tested prompt frameworks designed to help developers get the most out of the AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude or Copilot, without all the guesswork. Each framework is structured to help you communicate clearly with AI and get results that are accurate and on point every single time. If you are a developer who wants to stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and start using AI as a real productivity partner, this playbook will change how you work. You can find the link in the description below. And here is the cool part. If you subscribe through that link, you will also get my best-selling Udemy course for free. It's my way of saying thank you for being part of this AI-driven journey and for believing, like I do, that the future of the development isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. So yeah, prompt engineering changed the way I think about coding, and it may just do the same for you. If this topic resonates with you, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps and means a lot. Thank you so much. And let me know in the comments below how you are using AI in your daily work. I would love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of coding isn't about working harder, it's about prompting smarter. Happy prompting, and see you in the next video. Bye!